Hello friends, I'm your host Poonam Agarwal and today I'll be sharing with you a business opportunity that can change your life for the better. A business which will help you earn a robust income and maintain a good image in your society. A business which will fulfill your dreams and enrich you with a comfortable lifestyle. A business for every human which anyone can do, be it a student, a housewife, a businessman, a retired person or an employee. Anyone can learn to benefit from this business. It's a kind of business that you can choose to do full-time or part-time as well. And by spending only 2 or 3 hours every day, you can easily secure a dependable and reliable income. Friends, this business is proven to change people's lives. Listen very carefully for the next 10 minutes and I'll explaining you what this business actually is. This 10 minutes can change your life. One request to you guys, please watch this video till the end. And at last I will leave my contact information for you to clear all your queries. Before explaining you guys what this business is and how does it work, I would like to share with you some basic concepts. How a person generate their income. First way is being an employee. Being an employee would mean that you have a 9 to 5 job working for a company or an institution. So in that case you will be an employee. Second is being a self-employed. It means that you are not working for anyone else. You are working for yourself like a doctor, a chartered accountant, a teacher, a lawyer, an architect and so on. The third is being a business owner. Being a business owner means you have your own system, you have people working for you. Fourth category, being an investor. Investors are the people who do not have their own business set up but they invest in other companies. Now the basic difference between ES quadrant and BI quadrant is that if we compare population wise, then 95% of the population belongs to the ES quadrant and only 5% of the population belongs to BI quadrant. But most surprising fact is 95% of the income goes to BI quadrant and only 5% of the income is earned by ES quadrant. The irony is that to earn that 5% share of income, ES quadrants have to work more than BI quadrants. Income earned by employees and self-employed persons are considered as active income. Active income is the income which a person receives for the number of days, months or years he has worked for. The day he stops working, his income ceases to generate. But this is not the case in BI quadrant. People belonging to this quadrant earn passive income. Even after stopping work for days or months, passive income keeps generating. Now why does this happen and how? Because people of BI quadrant never work alone, they work as a team. There is a continuity of network of people who works for them and because of this people of BI quadrant, there is continuous or passive income. So guys, now I will explain you about this company, about its business opportunity with which you can earn a good and stable income. The name of the company is the Phoenix Wellness Corporation. Phoenix is an Indian company inaugurated very recently on 15th of March 2020 in Guwahati, Assam. The managing directors of Phoenix are Mr. Mandeep Kalra sir and Mr. Anik Bhomik sir. Phoenix Wellness Corporation has selected 30 herbal Ayurvedic products which provides fast response and gives assured results. These 13 products are more than sufficient to take care of any disease or ailment in the human world, be it critical or just any disease. Phoenix provides its products directly to the consumers without any middlemen, and so this company is into direct selling industry. Now let's start with the business plan of the Phoenix Wellness Corporation. Phoenix Wellness Corporation provides 10 different income variants. These are matching incentive, mentorship incentive, rewards and awards, retail incentive, performance incentive, level incentive, directorship incentive, franchise incentive, activation gifts and surprise gifts. We will discuss this one by one later in this video. First, let us know the joining procedure. Joining in the Phoenix Group is absolutely free. There are no joining charges or fees. Once you join, you would need to activate your account with a single or one-time amount of ₹5,000. For which you will receive 4 different miraculous products along with activation gifts like a beautifully crafted and designed pen and a keyring, a company ID card and a solid kit box. Remember, this nominal investment will be of rupees 5,000 and you will never have to reinvest any amount. Now let's discuss the incomes you can earn by joining the Phoenix Wellness Corporation. First is matching incentive. Matching income is generated whenever there is a matching of 1:1 in your left and right leg. This income is generated daily and the payout is processed directly to associates account on every Thursday as company's weekly closing is on every Tuesday. 1:1 matching will give you 500 rupees with a matching of 5 PVs. There is a daily limit of capping of rupees 3,000 on this matching income on each business ID. It means if anyone wishes to earn more, he or she can generate multiple business IDs. Any unmatched leftover PVs are always carried forward without any time limit. Next comes mentorship income, most attractive incentive of all. Here you will get 100% of your direct associates matching income every day, and the best part is that there is no capping or limit to this income, which means you have unlimited direct associates and unlimited income. Let me explain it to you in detail. When your direct associate earns a matching incentive up to 3,000 rupees, you will get 100% of his or her income on a daily basis. Let's take an example. If Rahul earns 500, you will also get 500. If Abdul earns 1,000, you will get 1,000. Jennifer earns 2,000, you will get 2,000. If Mr. Verma earns 3,000, you will get 3,000. Which is 100% of your each frontline's daily business income. Isn't it a really amazing one? Now let's discuss about rewards and awards. These are lifetime rewards, meaning whenever you achieve, you get them with no time bound restrictions. As in this screen, you can see a matching of 100 PVs will reward you with rupees 5,000 pin and product. And so are different other rewards explained in the table. Finally, you can see whenever you will get a matching of 2 lakh PVs, you will receive 1 crore cash reward and a golden crown. Let's discuss the next retail incentive. Whenever you repurchase any product with Phoenix, you are eligible for a retail discount of 20 to 30% as shown on this screen. Next is performance income. This income is generated from your group business and self business. As you can see the chart, whenever you or your group achieve 600 BV, you will be eligible for 5% income on your business value. Likewise, your income keeps increasing as per your BV. Now let's discuss level income. From all your direct joinings and their respective direct referrals, you will earn differential level income. One can earn up to 14% income from 22 levels or generations. What is directorship income? As shown in the performance income chart, whenever any of your direct associates achieve 20% level and rest make up to 17%, you will become the silver director of the company. Here you will receive 5% of your direct associates total income and 5% from the company's turnover as bike fund. Next is gold director. When 2 direct associates achieve 20% each and rest others make up 17%, you will be rewarded with extra 4% as car fund. Now next comes to diamond director. When 3 direct associates achieve 20% each and rest others make up 17%, you will get 3% extra as luxury car fund. When 6 direct associates achieve 20% each and rest others make up 17%, you will become the platinum director of the company and extra 2% will be rewarded as house fund. Now comes to the ruby director. When 10 direct associates achieve 20% each and rest others make up 17%, then a luxury house fund of 2% will be awarded in extra. Now last is emerald director. When 20 direct associates achieve 20% each and rest make up 17%, then 1% extra will be rewarded as lifetime pension. Here your total directorship income will be 22%. Activation gifts are given along with joining kit. Surprise gifts are rewarded designed for true performance which comes without any condition or business targets. Let us know about deductions and auto repurchase. Only 5% will always be deducted from all your income and deposited in your account as TDS. Auto repurchase is a 10% deduction from your weekly payouts which is deposited directly to your business wallet. This amount can be utilized anytime in future towards cashless repurchase of products from the company. This way, everyone maintains an ongoing repurchase income and can avail tax benefits. Friends, there are a lot of benefits from doing Phoenix business. The very first benefit is that you will get an extra income. You will be financially stable and you can do whatever you want to do. You will get your time and freedom as company gives travel fund, car fund, house fund to all the distributors who have achieved different directorship level. You will enjoy a healthy life by using genuine and authentic Ayurvedic products of the Phoenix Wellness Corporation. You will be honored and will get recognized as a director of the company. After working with the Phoenix, a time will come when even if you do not work at all, still you will get your income every week. That's our top of the edge business plan. If you like the presentation and want to join the Phoenix group, then please contact on the phone number given in the description below. If you have any doubts regarding this business, you can drop your question in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, then please share this video with your friends and relatives. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Come on, let's start together, let's grow together. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best of your future.